I got my hands on something super hot. This is the biggest opportunity in 2025 and I'm not even exaggerating. 3 things I do want to preface. Number 1, it's completely free to sign up. Number 2, there's opportunities to earn recurring commission. And number 3, there are mega bonuses that you can unlock by using my link. This is the most amazing affiliate opportunity I've ever seen in 2025. My mentor's been on the online space for about 3 years and she's made well over $2.2 million, and she started with affiliate marketing. Now, why is affiliate marketing such a game changer? Number 1, you don't need product or to create the product. Number 2, you don't need to deal with customer service. And number 3, you can build a community that knows, likes, and trusts you. What I'm about to share with you is 10 times that. So OfferLab, imagine a place where number 1, creators can list their offers on the marketplace and it sells for them. Number 2, affiliates can go into the marketplace, promote those offers, and make commissions, some even 100%. And you don't need to buy the product to promote them. Now, Russell Brunson, I've been talking about this man for quite some time now. He is the king of marketing and he's made over $1 billion. He's paid over $200 million to affiliates for promoting his products. He started off with ClickFunnels and now he's launching OfferLabs tomorrow. By the time you see this, I'm pretty sure it's already launched. I teamed up with him to get early access, but again, the official launch is tomorrow, September 3rd. You are part of my world now. Right now is 100% free to join. So who this is for is offer creators, so you can get more eyes on your offer. And then of course affiliate marketers like myself to sell other people's product. And you can even stack those offers in the funnel within the system to sell more. Why is it important to join now? Number 1, official launch date is literally tomorrow. You're like late in the game, but then let me be honest, because I'm just recording this today. When people sign up with your affiliate link, and if they sell a product on OfferLab, you make 1.5% of commissions. When people join with your link, it'll take them to an upsell that's a $5,000 value with Russell Brunson, the guy that's literally created all of this, who sells it to them for $497. If someone grabs it, you earn 100% commission of that $497. That's the certification program. With all of that being said, I am super excited for our journey and I can't wait to see you on the inside and kill this with me. I'm so excited.